Number 16, close a conference. It means to officially end a conference.
She will close the conference with her speech. She will close the conference with her speech. They closed the conference on a high note. They closed the conference on a high note. Tomorrow, we close the conference at noon. Tomorrow, we close the conference at noon.
Number 17, gain control. It means to take charge or dominate a situation.
He gained control of the company last year. He gained control of the company last year. She gained control of the meeting quickly. She gained control of the meeting quickly. They gained control of their finances. They gained control of their finances.
Number 18, crack a joke. It means to tell a joke, usually to lighten the mood.
He always cracks a joke to ease tension. He always cracks a joke to ease tension. She cracked a joke during her presentation. She cracked a joke during her presentation. They crack jokes to make friends laugh. They crack jokes to make friends laugh.
Number 19, crackdown. It means to start enforcing rules more strictly.
The school cracked down on late arrivals. The school cracked down on late arrivals. Police are cracking down on speeding. Police are cracking down on speeding. The government cracked down on illegal trading. The government cracked down on illegal trading.
Number 20, computer crashes. It means when a computer stops working suddenly.
My computer crashes when it overheats. My computer crashes when it overheats. If your computer crashes, restart it. If your computer crashes, restart it. Her computer crashes frequently during work. Her computer crashes frequently during work.